Good day, boys and girls, and today we are going to continue with picture chart in our mathematics lesson. Do you remember the last time we did picture chart? Right, so we are going to do another lesson on picture chart. So here I have a picture chart and we are going to put the pictures in the chart today. So let's look at the pictures first. Right, so I have some pictures. Let's look at some of the objects in the picture. What do you see? Good, we see bicycle, balls, dolls, a truck. So what would you call these things? Yes, we can call these toys. They are some of your favorite toys. So first of all, we are going to classify or sort these pictures. So let's try, when we sort it or classify, we try to put all the same pictures into one group. So we had bicycles, we had balls, we had dolls, and we had the trucks. So let's see if we can put those in the same group of each of the toys. So let's start with the balls. So I have one ball here. I'm looking for the other balls to put in that same group. So I'm going to put these 1, 2, 3 balls together. Let's try the dolls. So I have these two. These are 2 dolls. We will put them in another group together. Here we have the bicycles. Can I put the trucks with the truck with the bicycle? No, the truck has to go in a separate group. So I will put all the bicycles here and then I will put the truck in another group. So here I have some pictures. We have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4 bicycles, 1, 2, 3 balls, 1, 2 dolls, and 1 truck. So remember, I told you today we are going to talk about picture chart. So here we are going to take the pictures which we have sorted and we are now going to put them in our chart, our picture chart. So remember, we said these are our favorite toys. So this would be the title, favorite toys. Our title today is favorite toys. That would be the title of our picture chart. Here we have the names of the toys: ball, doll, bike, truck. So what we are going to do today is put the pictures onto the chart. Okay, boys and girls? So the first one we have is ball. Ball. So I'm going to take the pictures of the ball and we are now going to place this on the chart. Remember, we put it one on top of the other. The pictures are all the same size. And we are going to make sure that it is lined up properly. So let's start with our first picture of the ball. Okay, as you can see, it is straight, it has equal spacing, it's lined up properly. So here we have all the balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Now we are going to put the pictures of the dolls. So I have my dolls here. Again, we are going to make sure it's lined up properly. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 dolls. Now we have the word bike. So will I put this here? No, this is not a bike. So we look for the bikes and we will now put the bikes onto the chart. Good, let's count how many bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last thing we have here is the truck. So here we have one truck. So this, what we have just done was to create our picture chart. Remember, our picture chart must have a title. Here our title is Favorite Toys. We'll have the pictures and the names. So here we have ball and we have pictures of balls. Doll, we have pictures of doll. Bike, we have pictures of bike. And truck, we will have a picture of truck. Where we have doll, we would not go and put the truck there, right? Each picture must relate to the heading. So now we have our picture chart. And remember last day we said that we can get information from our picture chart. So let's try to get some information from our picture chart today. Let's look at our picture chart. And I'm going to ask you a question and see if you can answer my question. Are you ready? Okay, first question. From this picture chart, how many dolls are there? How many dolls are there in this picture chart? Very good. Let's count. 1, 2. So there are 2 dolls there. Let's try another question. How many trucks do you see here in this picture chart? Excellent. We have 1 truck. Now listen again. Which toy, we have different toys here, ball, doll, bike, truck. Which toy do we have the most of? The most of. Let's look at the chart again. Let's look at it. So you are going to count the toys from each. So we are going to count how many balls, how many dolls, how many bikes and trucks, and you will tell me which one we have the most of. Look at the picture. Very good. The bike would be the toy which we have the most of, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes. And we only have 1, 2, 3 balls, 1, 2 dolls, and 1 truck. So the most amount of toys we have is the bikes. Now let's look at the chart again and tell me which toy we have the least or the fewest. Which one would be the fewest or the least? Meaning the smallest amount. Do you think it's the doll because we only have 2? No, it's not the doll, it's the truck because we only have 1 truck. We have more of the other toys. So the truck is only 1, so this would be the toy which we have the least or the fewest amount of. So let's try one last question. I want you to look at all the toys. How many toys do we have in all? Just look at it and tell me how many toys do we have in all on this chart. What do you think you have to do? Good, we are going to count all the toys. Remember when we did adding and counting? So we are going to count all the toys. So let's count to see how many toys we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on this picture chart we have 10 toys. Okay, boys and girls, so what we just did was create our picture chart. Remember, your picture chart must have a title. It has pictures, that's why it's called a picture chart. And there will be a heading for each picture. Okay, boys and girls, so you will get a picture chart, and I hope you have fun answering and creating your picture chart. Okay, bye.